A child can never be a man. Says one of the fun, you remain a boy. And ukuba indoda, when you feel you want to be indoda, it comes with responsibility. Indoda, kumele yonke ekhaya. Until when you are 13, now you are indoda. Eh? You are 13 years old. We indoda. Uzokwazi nje ngishotshela ukuthi uhamba ufake izandla esikhwameni. Uzuphinde ufake nesigqoko. Denied the right to play. Nigijimela ukuba indoda must go find a job. Indoda must go have a family. Indoda is a pity I don't have boys. So you guys must learn to respect women.